Hello, I'm Tim. I'm the product manager at GitLab for the package stage, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our upcoming issues scheduled for milestone 12.8, which is scheduled for release on February 22nd, 2020. There's 4 issues I'm really excited to talk to you about today. The first is leverage Docker tag expiration policies at the repository level. This issue is a follow-up to last milestone. We built Docker tag expiration policies at the project level. This will enable it at the Docker repository level. So for example, if I click on this UI, you could see I'm on the container registry user interface. And at the repository level, I now have the ability to enable and disable policies. And then I have the ability to set them, both the interval, the schedule at which they should run, the number of tags to retain, and which tags to expire. And you could use regex here to match any pattern you'd like. Really excited to launch this feature. I should announce that this is only for new projects to begin with. We'll be working on how to extend this to existing projects in the future. The next item is improved performance of the delete API for the container registry front end. So this is fixing a stability bug. It's really important. It has definitely impacted the performance of the container registry UI, and improving this will improve load times and stability of the GitLab application. So what are we talking about? In the container registry UI, this is I have here a Docker repository with a set of tags. And if I were to delete these tags, the delete API that we're using is quite slow. It's one of the slowest in the entire GitLab application. So we'll be addressing this, which will greatly improve the overall performance of the application and of the container registry. Next, we're talking about improved performance of the container registry garbage collection algorithm for S3. So lots of performance improvements scheduled for this milestone. So this is for, if beyond just deleting images or tags in the UI, this is for actually cleaning them up using garbage collection from S3. We've made a lot of great progress over the past couple of milestones on this issue. And so far, we've made a lot of optimizations. The final changes we'll be making in 12.8 is to actually make beyond just benchmarking and performance testing. We'll be making sure that these changes can scale up to the levels of our enterprise customers and GitLab itself. Really looking forward to releasing this change, and so far we're seeing orders of magnitude improvement in performance time. And finally, I'm really excited to say that we will be releasing the GitLab NuGet repository to enable .NET developers to use GitLab as a private NuGet remote. So this will allow them to configure the NuGet, NuGet to add GitLab as a remote. You'll be able to authenticate using your GitLab username and personal access token, and we'll support publishing, installing, and deleting packages, all from GitLab. And we'll have a user interface. You can see here, it's very similar to what we have for the rest of our package registry items. Okay, look, that's it for now. Looking forward to this release and getting these features in your hand. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at trizzy@gitlab.com.